How to delete Chrome history. So first of all, launch Google Chrome on your mobile devices. Once you come here, tap on the three dots icon at the top right. From here, choose History. Now from here, you can see entire Chrome history from your Google account. You can tap on this cross button beside each and every Chrome history to delete it, or you can simply tap on Delete Browsing Data in order to delete entire history from your Google Chrome. So let's select Delete Browsing Data. Now from here, you can choose time range as well. You can choose any of these categories you wish to. For now, I'm going to tap on All Time. From here, you can select each and every category you wish to delete. Then after this, you can see the option of Delete Data. So if you tap on it, just tap on Delete. And with that, you will successfully be able to delete Google Chrome history from your mobile devices. And that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.